A dentist made the scatter plot below to show the number of cavities her patients had as it relates to the number of times they floss their teeth each week. Which of the following best describes the correlation of the data? A. Positive correlation. B. Nonlinear correlation. C. Negative correlation. D. No correlation. Number 2. What is the vertex of the graph of the quadratic function f of x equals x squared plus 6x plus 10? F, 3, negative 1. G, negative 3, negative 1. H, negative 3, 1. J, 3, 1. Number 3. Which of the following graphs best represents a system of equations that has no solution? Number 4. A family will travel 350 miles from their house in order to reach Dallas, Texas. Which inequality can be used to find all possible values of t, the time it will take this family to reach Dallas in hours, if they travel at an average speed of at least r miles per hour? Number 5. The graph below shows the relationship between the number of dollars a worker earns and the number of hours worked. What does the slope of the graph represent? A. The number of hours of work it takes to earn $320. B. The amount of money earned per hour. C. The amount earned for 40 hours of work. D. The number of hours worked per dollar earned. Number 6. The perimeter of a rectangle is 42 centimeters. The length of the rectangle can be represented by x plus 4, and its width can be represented by 2x minus 7. What are the dimensions of this rectangle in centimeters? F, length equal 10 and width equal 11. G, length equal 8 and width equal 13. H, length equal 6 and width equal 15. J, length equal 12 and width equal 9. Number 7. A graph is shown below. Which of the following equations are represented by the graph? 1. Y equals negative 3 halves x minus 2. 2. 2x minus 3y equals 6. 3. Y equal x minus 2 times x minus 3. 4. Y minus 2 equals 2/3 times x minus 6. A, 2 and 4. B, 1 and 3. C, 2 and 3. D, 1 and 4. Number 8. Which table shows the same relationship as y equal negative x squared plus 3x? Number 9. In which step below does a mistake first appear in simplifying the expression 0.5 times negative 12c plus 6 minus 3 times c plus 4 plus 10 times c minus 5? Step 1, negative 6c plus 3 minus 3 times c plus 4 plus 10 times c minus 5. Step 2, negative 6c plus 3 minus 3c minus 12 plus 10 times c minus 5. Step 3, negative 6c plus 3 minus 3c minus 12 plus 10c minus 50. Step 4, 7c minus 41. A, step 1. B, step 2. C, step 3. D, step 4. Number 10. The value of y varies directly with x. Which function represents the relationship between x and y if y equal 20 divided by 3 when x equal 30? F, y equal 200x. G, y equal 2 over 9x. H, y equal 110 over 3x. J, y equal 9 halves x. Number 11. A table of values for the exponential function f is shown below. Which situation could describe this function? A, the value of a house increases by approximately 2 3/4% per year. B, the value of a house increases by $3,850 per year. C, the value of a house decreases by approximately 2 3/4% per year. D, the value of a house decreases by $3,850 per year. Number 12. There are 9 books stacked on a shelf. The thickness of each book is either 1 inch or 2 inches. The height of the stack of 9 books is 14 inches. Which system of equations can be used to determine X, the number of 1 inch thick books in the stack, and Y, the number of 2 inch thick books? F, X plus Y equal 14, 2X plus Y equal 9. G, X plus Y equal 14, X plus 2Y equal 9. H, X plus Y equal 9, X plus 2Y equal 14. J, X plus Y equal 9, 2X plus Y equal 14. Number 13. Which graph shows a function with a domain of all real numbers greater than 7? Number 14. Students at a school will sell hats to raise money. There are some hats left over from last year, and 20 boxes of hats will be ordered this year. When the order arrives, the total number of hats the student will have can be determined using the function f of x equal 48x plus 37, where x represents the number of boxes ordered. If the number of hats per box changes so that the situation is modeled by the function h of x equals 24x plus 37, then how many fewer hats will the students have available to sell if they still order 20 boxes? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Number 15. What is the solution set for the quadratic equation x squared minus 16 equals 0? A, 4. B, negative 4, 4. C, 256. D, negative 256, 256. Number 16. A painter charges $35 per hour for labor plus $40 for a ladder rental when he paints a house. The customer provides the paint. The total charge to paint a customer's house was $950. How many hours did the painter spend painting this house? F, 12 2/3 hours. G, 28 hours. H, 23 hours. Or J, not here. Number 17. The slope and y-intercept of the graph of F were changed to make the graph of G as shown below. Which statement describes the changes that were made to the graph of F to make the graph of G? A, the slope was multiplied by 2 and the y-intercept was decreased by 5 to make the graph of G. B, the slope was multiplied by negative 1/2 and the y-intercept was increased by 5 to make the graph of G. C, the slope was multiplied by negative 2 and the y-intercept was decreased by 5 to make the graph of G. D, the slope was multiplied by 1/2 and the y-intercept was increased by 5 to make the graph of G.